Look at the light here, absolutely fantastic. Bruv, I could feel the earthquake. Is that a cat? Oh my God, can't believe it. Hello, and welcome to Cyprus Photography Tours. Kalispera, Kalimera. And today, we're gonna be heading in to Cedar Valley. So this is gonna be a very challenging video. Danger enter forest. Now I've been on this route before, so nothing to worry about. It's probably one of my favorite places. The only reason I say it's challenging is because sun sets around 4:45 and there's gonna be more driving today than shooting photos. And I have to be driver, cameraman, drone operator, you name it. And we're just gonna be doing a POV again. I will strap you to my chest, but I'll be driving a lot. And if I find a spot, we're gonna stop, pull over, take some shots, move to the next one. There is a couple of spots on the way that I already know that I wanna show you. And one thing I really wanna capture today, if we can see it, because I've luckily seen it by chance before, is Cyprus's famous muflon, which is native to this island. And I will be using the Sony 6700 with the Sony 7350 today. It's going to be dope, especially if we find that muflon. Let's go. I think the mountains are so underrated in terms of like just wanting some peace. So these are all new. I remember when I first discovered this was nothing was here. I really do hope we run into a muflon today, because I really want to capture one. A couple years ago when I was here, it was by pure chance. Camera was already packed away, it was dark. I don't know what it is, but on this side, it always looks awesome. I mean, look. I don't know if you could see that far, but we'll definitely take a photo. It will definitely help to take lens cap off. That's a mistake again. This is incredible. side of the road, and then I can explain where we are. Welcome. So this is, as you can see by this sign here, Gremos dis Perlis, and that translates to in English, Gremos basically means cliff, and Perlis means nutcase, specifically female nutcase. Yeah, so when I told my grandma about this place, she goes, oh, there's probably a reason behind it. There's stories. Locations are named after stories in a way. And she told me that one day that a woman fell in love with a man. They were all madly in love, etc. And then one day he obviously slept with another woman. And then she was so disappointed that she came and jumped off this cliff. Hence, Gremos dis Perlis, cliff of the female nutcase. And we've got this rock formations. I don't know if that's true. Don't quote me on it. But it's such an awesome location. There is a trek at the top of the ridge here that goes all the way to the other side. It's like an hour long, and you end up at Tripolis fire lookout post, which is awesome. But there's so much greenery here. It's like, this is the best time to see it because you have all the different colors, like the yellows, the oranges. There were oranges down there. You have this cool rock formation. So that is Gremos dis Perlis. I keep forgetting my lens cover. I keep putting it back on. It takes ages to get here. You're looking at 2 hours. So I recommend preparing beforehand, full tank of fuel, bring water with you, bring food with you, because there isn't much to stop here. There's obviously like villages along the way, but if you're gonna do these random stops, currently have the Sigma 24-70 on. Just pulled up against the side of the road. So after flying the Air 3S and then the FPV drone, we were basically over there. I think we were over there. Yeah, we were somewhere over there. And a massive cloud has come by. And apparently, I just checked social media, there was earthquakes today. Didn't even feel anything, and we were in one of the hot zones. That's so cool. Look how low the cloud is. This is what I wanted. All right, let's keep going. Still haven't found a muflon, which I'm disappointed about. We will find one, I hope. This is the problem, is that you're always stopping, starting. Let's go. Found this little museum, or Campos Forest Heritage Museum, and that's what we're after. This is muflon. This is what I want to capture right now, with the dramatic sky, the colors, the browns, the greens. It just looks awesome. there's a cat in every video. I can't believe it. I'm not gonna spook it. I'm gonna try and like get it from the car. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe my luck. What did I do with the cap? Just when I thought I wasn't gonna complete the challenge and I found the cap. It doesn't make up for finding the muflon, but bye mate. That in the distance is the highest point in Cyprus. I did say there's going to be a lot of stop starts today. There's not enough light. Keep forgetting my lens cap. Look at the light here, absolutely fantastic. Bruv, I could feel the earthquake. Oh my God, I felt it. Okay, wow, we are really gonna finish the day like this? That brings us to the end of this week's POV adventure in the mountains of Cyprus. Absolute chaos. We went from Cedar Valley of Buffos, we got surrounded by clouds, and for some reason I've ended up almost at the top of the highest point in Cyprus at Mount Olympus, and we just caught the awesome sunset. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Check out the presets. I know today was absolute chaos. It's just literally what you find, what attracts you. Pictures of cars, roads. This is what you can find in Cyprus. Fortunately, no muflon, but I'll promise I will try and capture one in another video. If you know where they are, let me know down below. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.